Today I have with me Mr. Ankit Jain. Just to give a brief introduction about him, he is an engineer by qualification, a serial entrepreneur, a food lover, a startup enthusiast, from local ustad to running his family business of building material supplies, and now the latest venture which he's got into is QMinder app. Mr. Ankit, welcome on the show. This is one of the first season where I'm trying to get many various budding entrepreneurs on board. So just would like to know how this lockdown period is treating you.
So yeah, it's a tough time for everyone here. Everyone is looking to get out of their houses because everyone is stressed out. So have done something for the society, which you would like it, I suppose. So that's what is there.
I believe the name is QMinder app, right? The app name is QMinder app.
Yeah, it's QMinder app and it's available on Play Store.
Okay. Just before starting the question answer session, why just you don't quickly tell me what is the QMinder app all about, so that we can also tell the people and create the buzz around it.
Okay, so QMinder app is basically solving your problem of queuing up at any physical establishment.
Okay.
So basically, if you go to any grocery shop, like in current situation, we come into Mumbai, so this is a red zone. Only grocery shops and pharmacies are open.
Correct.
And if you have to go to a grocery shop and stand in a queue for long hours, and amongst the crowd that is there coming from different areas, and it's become very difficult, and there is a fear in your mind that how you can come out safe from there. So basically this app solves the problem of not crowding up at any physical establishment, and also this app notifies you when your turn will come. So it solves the basic problem of queuing up and crowding up at any establishment.
I'm pretty much sure you'll get lots and lots of success, and the concept itself is very energetic, and you are eventually serving the society through a digital platform, and which is the need of the hour. So all the best for your new startup. So quickly, just starting up with the question answer round. The first question is very normal. Like this is a question. It has been asked by everybody, but nobody has a very straight answer. So I'll just ask the question to you. What is your why? Why do you do all these things, the different startups that you're doing? What is your why?
Okay, so it all started earlier back in 2012 when I just came out of engineering college and was thinking to start up something after a lot of efforts put up. We finally did something for the society earlier for blue collared people, and this kept on the motivation that we have to, at every point we have to give back to the society by some of the other means. So yes, earlier ventures are running in progress, and definitely that gives me motivation to do something new every time. But this one is really special and is really close to my heart. So this is my third venture, and I'm glad that this idea will benefit many people. So motivation comes out of innovation for me.
Wow.
And innovation for me is something that creates value for people.
Absolutely.
So QMinder is basically the need of the hour. That's
Absolutely. Absolutely. It is a need of the hour. And in fact, I, coming from technology background, can envisage what kind of value it can bring actually on the table. You can, so that's, wish you all the best for that. So coming my second question is also very related to the business, and which is the core of any idea. What is satisfaction? Is satisfaction equal to success? What in the work gives you feeling of accomplishment or a kick? Basically ये बोलते ना कि हाँ ये करूँगा तो I'll get the exact kick out of it. Yeah, what is that?
Okay, so what is satisfaction and success for me is, as I said, doing something for the betterment of the society has always been there, at the back of my mind and will always be all my life long. A sense of giving back to the society in my own way gives me a deep feeling of what you can call an accomplishment. So recently, if I would put it in this way, recently a user from QMinder app posted on our support chat that she is visiting this store for the very first time. Excuse me. Only because of the concept of this app. So that much made my day.
Yeah. So eventually, like just launch within 5 to 6 days, the value is getting created. That's what is eventually is being found. And yeah,
yes, definitely. People are giving support and they are telling other people to use this app and try out once at least. So that kind of support we are receiving from our Facebook, from our WhatsApp chat.
Yeah,
that's there.
Yeah, that's a superb thing. Like within 3 to 4 days, you're getting a response that it means the value is being starting to create it. Now coming straight to the third question, what barriers you had before that you broke during your entrepreneurship journey? So we all have done this. Like start hone se pehle, there are many obstacles. The first step is the most difficult one. So what was your barriers in your journey?
So I would like to tell you that it was soon after my academic college got over. I was left with no job in my hand, and it was a time when I really, when I went through a lot of business ideas and problems in the society. So a 22-year-old boy with no money, just his knowledge and unidentified opportunities into the world of startups, finding his own way out. And then that's when my first venture, Local Ustad, was born. So there we broke the traditional style of working with blue-collared laborers, gave them that stature in the society, where they can call themselves as ustad of things like plumbers, electricians, repairmen, etc.
Correct.
So through like that entire journey, we broke many barriers of, you can say, in many aspects, be it financial, be it business, be it relationships, and there are many other things.
Yeah, absolutely. That is great. Yeah. So next question, at this point, what is it that is required for you to reach your business aspirations? I'm sure you must have doing so many things. You have a separate set of aspirations. So what is that is required to get you to reach your business aspiration? Just answer.
Okay. So at this point in life, the most important thing is how people adapt to change in the coming times, and how as a person we understand other people more than ever.
Wow.
So from a business perspective, I will put this as people should now consider this as routine life, as there is no going out without mask, using hand sanitizers. So I would like to put this, so why not use QMinder app as a part of the routine? If you want to get down and get something, then do not go before checking it out on the QMinder app. And that will help a lot of people, and most importantly yourself, and keep you out of the crowd.
Yeah, and the ministries are also saying, like I heard Narayan Murthy also said, like let this social distancing be a part of your life and move on, because that's when eventually you're not going to hit the economy. So that is a great thought. Now the next question is also very personally integrated towards your own belief. So many things change you, like change is a part of life, and that is the most constant thing which is there. How this venture has changed you? Did you become a better human being? Like that's a very question that I had in my mind.
Yeah. So currently, so this new venture is into helping people keep social distancing. So this has helped me a lot to think about what it feels to stay home and stay safe. I feel I'm the lucky one who can make a difference in people's lives by getting that fear out of their minds through this QMinder app, and keeping them safe and away from the crowd at the same time. So at the same time, creating a win-win situation for businesses is what I'm looking for. And hopefully people like it.
Yeah. So as long as there is a trust involved in anything, people, they like it. Like it's a nature's law, they cannot do anything. Okay, so now the last question, which is like very important, because I have seen people are getting into this entrepreneur journey just for the sake कि मेरा बहुत से झगड़ा हो गया है, या तो I want to do some, सबको मार्क जकरबर्ग ही बनना है, like they do not have the path but सबको बनना वही है. So what is your message to the upcoming entrepreneurs? Like what should the basic focus point that you carried because of you doing multiple things? What's your
okay, so yeah, there are a lot of entrepreneurs like coming up. They don't like their jobs. They have to do something on themselves. So I would like to put this as you do cultivate whatever best you can for yourself.
Correct.
But never forget giving back to the society when it's your turn.
Yeah.
Actually, that's the tagline also for my QMinder app.
Wow.
It's your turn now.
Yeah.
That is how I put it.
Nice. So eventually you have to give it back to your society. जहाँ से लिया वहाँ तो देना ही है, नहीं तो आप सिर्फ लेते रहोगे तो. That's a very nice thought. So great, Ankit. I believe we have got very deep insights about you and your new venture. I wish you all the best for whatever you do.